Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to create shortcut on your Snapchat to send snaps on your iPhone. So we're currently not on my iPhone, but ignore that because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on your iPhone as well. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to the camera, make sure to put a story, go next, and then you don't need to put up the story. So in the right upper corner, you will actually have the option to tap on the shortcut option. Click on that shortcut option. If you don't have that shortcut option, then make sure to update the app, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now after that, choose the friends you wish to add to your shortcut list. Now after you choose the friends that you wish to add to your shortcut list, you can choose from best friends or recent, right? You can click on them, and then you can give the shortcut list an emoji name by clicking the choose an emoji spacebar at the top of the screen, and then you can tap on the create shortcut button. So that's basically how to do it, right? This is how to create shortcut on Snapchat to send snaps on your iPhone. Now some users still don't have the feature of shortcuts. Now make sure to reach out to Snapchat support if you don't have that, and make sure to reinstall the app and install it once again, because that will help you out. So I hope this video explains itself. If you have any comments or questions, comment down below and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.